5 incredible animal instincts that begin at birth. 1. Sea turtles hatch and instinctively head towards the ocean, avoiding predators along the way. 2. Newborn giraffes stand within minutes, helping them escape predators and keep up with the herd. 3. Ducklings follow their mother immediately, ensuring they stay safe and learn survival skills. 4. Baby kangaroos climb into their mother's pouch right after birth for warmth and protection. 5. Hatchling crocodiles make distress calls to signal their mother for protection against threats. Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.